and welcome to my Unreal Engine 4 tutorial series. And in this episode we're gonna learn how to make a flashlight, how to gonna toggle on and off so that we're gonna emit a color. So let me give you a quick look on how this gonna look like. So if I hit play, currently I don't have a flashlight turned on, but if I hit Q, the flashlight is on, and you can see this nice little grayscale effects. So turning on and off, you can see that. You can change this intensity to whatever you want. So let's get started. So minimize it, and this is my first person character template. You can do this with first person or third person, it doesn't really matter, because all you want is a flashlight. If you want to use a third person, then all you need extra is a 3D model of a flashlight, right? But all the things are the same. So how are you gonna do that? So let's first open our third person, or let's first make a night, right? So this is our light source. Let's just toggle it to something like in here. So this looks like our night. Then click on your sky sphere and tick this refresh material. So I think this might, yep, I think this will work. Click on the refresh material. If you hit play, yeah, I'm happy with this night sky because it's dark too, we can save it. And many people asking in community that how do we gonna fix this lightning needs to be rebuilt problem, because it affects our world. So you just need to click on this build button. So once you just click, this gonna rebuild the light. So it's a simple fix. Let's wait for some minutes because my machine is not so powerful. Yep, and this will gonna fix up later. Just skip this error. Okay, so inside your player character, the first person or whatever the player character you are using, you just need to open that up, and hang on. And inside here I have just disconnected this bullet sound because it's so annoying, and I have done nothing, and we can't play right now because it's still building the lightning. So let's do certain things. So in your viewport, we want to attach our flashlight in our gun, so our gun can toggle on and off. So how are you gonna do that? So click on your sphere, no, your gun mesh, and add a spotlight. So if you open that up, you're gonna see how the spotlight gonna look. This will look something like this, but it is facing the wrong direction. We're gonna change that. So this is my child of this FP gun, right? Okay. The lightning build is completed. So if you just compile this, if you minimize it, you're gonna see the error gone, and if you play, you're gonna see our lightning rebuilds, but the night sky is not so good as we thought. So you're gonna change that, but I don't want the exact night, I just want the dark side. That's why I have fast forwarded that. After that, we want to do this spotlight thing. So how are you gonna do that? So let's rotate it to something like 90, right? So this is how it will gonna face towards our player's character, and the spotlight should be your player's gun. So the starting point of your player's gun, yep, it is starting. So this is look, and I don't think this spotlight is so big, so the intensity I am gonna set to 2 lakhs, so it will gonna work. And the light color should be a dark yellow. Oh, yep, I'm happy with this light color. So this should be our light color, and if you toggle this, you're gonna see this how this gonna facing towards, so I'm gonna set it to 5000. Yep, 5000 should be fine for me. Yep, so this is gonna cover this whole area. You can just play around with it and change to whatever you. And the cone is so big, so I'm gonna set it to 22.5. Yep, this is how the flashlight looks. Yep, 22.5 is fine for me. Hit compile, and after that inside here just make a variable, and I'm gonna call it is flashlight on, and hit compile, save, minimize it. Let's play button. So you're gonna see this little flashlight. You don't see it visible because the night is not so good, we don't have fog and the exposure is too large. But if you need a night scene, then you can check out a night scene videos on YouTube. They guys are amazing and they make really cool night scenes, so it's worth watching. And you can see our spotlight. So this is our flashlight and it is working, but now we want to do the toggling part, so toggle on and off. So how are you gonna do that? So let's click on this settings, on the project settings, let's make a key to toggle on and off the switch. So how are you gonna do that? So in your project setting, you're gonna see this input. Inside your action mapping, I'm gonna create a new action mapping and I'm gonna call it flashlight, and the key would be Q would be fine. You're gonna set it to whatever you want. Close that up, open your first person, I mean your character, whatever you are using, and search for flashlight. So you're gonna see our little input icon, the flashlight. So when we press our flashlight button, hit a branch. If it's true, if our flashlight is on, then we want to off that. If our flashlight is off, then we want to on that, right? And by default our flashlight would be off. So how are you gonna fix that? So if you see a little on begin play, just grab this note something here. So on by default I want to set our flashlight to off. So set this to false because by default our flashlight would be off. And by default the spotlight, the intensity would be 0. So when it is off, the intensity would be 0. When it is on, the intensity would be 2 lakhs. So by default it is 0. Now on the flashlight button, so whenever we press, what we want to do, we want to set up spotlight, or let's say we want to toggle the visibility, so it will gonna make more sense. So set the intensity back to 2 lakh and we're gonna just toggle the visibility. So that's how it will gonna make more sense to us. So set visibility, and you can see this visibility, this both are the same thing. If you see this they both connected to the same pin because they both are same, we don't need that. So how are you gonna fix that? So same thing, and you're gonna set a visibility inside here. So set a visibility false, and after that set the flashlight is on. But if this is true, if our flashlight is on, then we want to off that, so the new visibility would be false. If our flashlight is on, then we want to off that. So if this is true, then we want to off that. If this is false, then we want to on that, so this would be true. So after doing true part, we want to set this to true, and after doing the false part, we want to set this to false. So this is true. Let's see how this gonna work. So pardon, let's hit play. Okay, yep, you can see it is working, but by default it is starting as a true and we don't need that. So just click on this spotlight and search for visibility, and by default it would be false. So by default the flashlight would be turned off, and whenever you press play, So Q, on off, on off, on off, on off. But you don't we don't find this natural, because the flashlight texture is a whole circle, and I don't think the real time flashlight will look something like this. So we need a texture at the output area. So how are you gonna do that? So let's make a texture for that. So I'm gonna just create a new folder called texture, because we need a texture. Inside I'm gonna just import a texture. So I have some texture for that, and I'm gonna link it in the description, so you're gonna use that. So this is my flashlight texture. Just open it, so you can see this, and open it. So you can see this flashlight texture, and the default compression setting is set to default DirectX 11 T11. Set it to grayscale, because we don't want other colors to scatter around. We just want a gray color. So from white to black color, and a minimal color of that. We don't want any other color. That's why we have set the compression to grayscale. Close that up. And after setting this texture compression to grayscale, just create a material, and I'm gonna call it a flashlight material. So flashlight underscore matte. Open that up. You're gonna see something like this. Just disconnect this pin, and inside this, if you see this material domain, this is set to surface. You want to set it to light function. So set it to light function, and set this one to your emissive color. So this will look something like this. Hit apply, and make sure this is your light function material domain, and hit save. And what is the light function? So it will the material gonna show up on the light. So click on your spotlight, and if you're gonna see a material, so in the light function you're gonna see your light function material. Just search for your flashlight material, hit compile and save. So in this little circle, the material gonna spawn. So let me give you a quick look. So you're gonna see this little material we have just made, the light function. So I think this is bit more good, and I don't think the flashlight is bit more visible because of this light. But you're gonna set your very beautiful night scene, and then you're gonna set this. We have seen this, right, in the previous tutorial part. So you can toggle on and off. If you don't if you don't happy with this little circle, you can set a bigger, because I'm not happy with the circle after doing that. So let's set this cone to 35 would be work fine for me. So hit compile. Yes, I'm happy with 35. Yep, this looks good. So this is how you're gonna set up a flashlight. So this is all for this, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and bye bye.